Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a project share. This is another two-page layout spread that I did on my Cricut. Not on my Cricut, on my all-day crop with my friends at the first of the year. So we spent that Saturday just zooming and cropping, and just like as we were in a real crop, and hanging out. And so I was determined to finish a scrapbook album. I had to make 8 pages, and I made 8 pages. Like, that was the most I ever made in one setting. So I was so proud of myself, and I finished the album. And I was going to show you what some of the things that helped me, because my Cricut, I couldn't find my cord to use my Cricut, so I couldn't use my Cricut. Waiting on some plates from my die cutting machines. It's like everything was going wrong. But anyway, I did have these recipe templates that I had purchased from Tuesday morning. Lord have mercy, why is Tuesday morning in my brain? Creative memory, sorry about that. And this is one of them that I got. I try to buy them whenever I see them out. I try to get them because they disappear really, really fast. And I usually get a different one every couple of months. But I like them because you can change them up so much. Even though it's an apple, you can use so many elements of it. So few elements of it. It's just so many different ways. And the papers that you use are going to make a difference. So that's the fun thing about it. So you can do it so many different ways. But it's called Apple. It's a 12 by 12. You know, and you just trace it out, and then you have to cut it. You can ink the edges to help camouflage any unsteady hands. And people say, that's a lot of fuss again, but it's actually quick and time. It's not time consuming. It's actually quick, and it's easy for me when I have to think about what I'm doing. So I just made 2 different layout spreads, and I just grabbed some embellishments that I already had because I couldn't print any out. So this one was a Memento sticker set, Boys Will Be Boys, and I got that from from Ollie's a long time ago. And this was a sticker set I think I got from the Dollar Tree, maybe? Yeah, I think it was the Dollar Tree. Anyway, so that was the first one that I cut out. Boys Will Be Boys, and kept it simple, just made a couple of colors on it. Solid papers. And then I did the same thing over with some just pattern papers with a different picture, and I used some wood embellishments that says forever and always, you are my happy, and I put another one of those robot dollar stickers up here. And so it's the same, and this one I did the background to go around it and ink those edges so you can kind of see, and they won't all fit into frame, but how you can make it look different. You could even make it, you know, you could use this, block out this whole section here. You know, it's just so many different things you can use, alter any one of those elements or delete it. So it's so many different variations. So I love buying those little templates. But anyway, so that's my 2 layouts, quick and fun. So hopefully you've been inspired if you need to make some layouts, to make some as well. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.